Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M7 Plus, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So all you have to do is to open the settings. Here let's scroll down to find notifications and status bar. And here we have to localize the option which is called battery indicator, so let's tap on it. As you can see in this device we've got three different options, so we can show only battery icon, we can show the percentage inside the battery icon or next to the battery icon, and this option is more visible, so of course choose the one which is the most comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.